Wix versus Webflow. Which website builder is right for you? So, I recently decided to test out two of the most popular website builders out there, Wix and Webflow. And let me tell you, they're very different experiences. If you're trying to figure out which one is best for your needs, whether you're a beginner, a designer, or someone just trying to get a site live fast, this review is for you. Why I wanted to compare. These two, I've built websites using platforms like WordPress, Squarespace, and even Shopify. But I kept hearing people say Wix is super beginner-friendly and Webflow is for pros who want full control. So naturally, I had to dive in and see which one actually fits real-life use cases better. What I liked about Wix checkmark: drag and drop simplicity. Honestly, Wix feels like playing with digital Legos. You can move anything, anywhere. No coding needed. Tons of templates. There's a massive library of pre-made designs for every niche. Perfect for beginners or anyone who wants to launch quickly. Built-in tools. From blogging to booking systems and even e-commerce, Wix has a tool for almost everything built in. AI Site Builder. Don't feel like designing? Wix AD I literally builds a site for you after a short quiz. Pretty impressive. What I liked about Webflow checkmark. Total design freedom. This is next level control. Webflow lets you design down to the pixel, which is perfect for creative professionals. Clean code output. Webflow generates clean HTML, CSS so your site is faster, and more SEO-friendly CMS for dynamic content. If you're building blogs, portfolios, or directories, Webflow's CMS is incredibly powerful. Designer's dream. The interface looks more like Adobe XD or Figma. It's made for people who want precision and structure. What's not so great? Wix limitations. Design freedom can feel too free. No grid system equals chaos if you're not careful. Harder to scale. If you're planning a complex site, Wix might feel a bit closed in. Webflow steep learning curve, not beginner-friendly. The interface can be intimidating if you've never touched CSS or layout concepts. Some features like e-commerce or forms are limited or require third-party integrations. Who is Wix best for? Beginners, small business owners, and anyone who just wants a good-looking site up fast without learning code. Who is Webflow best for? Designers, developers, and creative freelancers who want full control, clean code, and scalability. Also great if you care deeply about performance and SEO. Pricing comparison: Wix starts cheaper, especially if you use basic features, but some advanced tools are hidden behind higher-tier plans. Webflow is more expensive up front, but worth it for custom design and advanced functionality. Plus, their free tier is decent for learning. Final verdict: Wix or Webflow? If you're just getting started and need something quick and easy, go with Wix. But if you're ready to go pro and want pixel-perfect design and better scalability, Webflow wins hands down. That's it for this review. If you found it helpful, drop a comment and let me know which platform you prefer, or if you're using something else entirely. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest tech reviews. See you in the next one.